What advice would you give to your younger self to do better than you did the first time through?
So there's two things. So the first thing, the more or less complex thing is, everybody is kind of running a different race. In the past, I would always compare myself and compare like where I am to somebody else. And as time has gone on, I had to realize, this is I'm not necessarily competing against this person. I'm more so competing against myself. And I'm not to say, you still have to, strive to be better than some people to get certain jobs that you might want. So of course, don't take that out of the equation. But at the same time, you'll beat yourself up way too much if you're comparing yourself to other people's paths and you're trying to think you're supposed to go down a similar path as somebody else did in their career. So that's the first thing
I
I
like
want
that
to say.
everyone's running different races.